Hey, Mr. Honda Mods here. Came out to my car after a Christmas dinner, and headlights started acting a little funny. This one's been acting up for the past few weeks since it started getting cold, but this one just recently turned this color. It had, it comes with the bi-xenons, but it's turning into a rose pink color. I'm not sure if it's because of the temperature. I mean, it is below freezing right now, but not 100% sure what's going on. Very noticeable though. You can put it back to back. You can really tell the difference. Turning the car off, turning it back on doesn't help. Let's see. Let's turn the high beams on, see what happens. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. So I'm starting to think that this is starting to go bad. I forgot what they call the AFS layer or something. Thing that swivels. So there it is, it's off, and you can even tell it's just a pink color on the left side. So let's turn the car off. Reset. Okay, quick video. Let's turn it back on. Right, and same thing. So we have an issue. Hopefully, when it gets a little warmer tomorrow. The problem is it's not supposed to get any much warmer than it is right now today. So we'll give you an update, see what happens. All right, Mr. Honda Mod signing out. Bye.